So basically managing musicians on stage, like I would say a very basic thing कि सितार वाले को ड्रम वाले के साथ मत रखो, definitely problem होएगी. So it's better to create a more like a more defined thing where you would like to keep say the rhythm, the percussion guys together, the melody and the other guys together. So this is a very simple setup. I mix for KK. I actually for KK I do both front of house and monitors. So उन लोग का बहुत ही simple setup है. 4 जन है. गिटार है, कीबोर्ड है, बेस है, ड्रम्स है. बस बहुत ही clean setup है. As compared to Shankara Sama, which has got like 8 musicians on stage, 3 singers, sometimes 4 singers. So what we can do when we are doing these things on stage is also we can use certain baffles, certain barriers to create better separation so that there's not too much leakage in this thing. So I would like to show you some of those. So this is like a baffle around congas. So and this goes 2 ways. This goes into preventing leakage, the congas ka sound baar na hai, and also that the conga mics don't pick up. So in case the congas are right next to the drums or the tolls or something like that, the sound doesn't leak into say like a baffle around your guitar amp. As we all know, guitarists love to be the loudest guys on stage, so we can create like a baffle around them so so we can lower the volume. The mics will obviously go inside the baffle and not outside, so that I'm sure you guys know that. So like this, we did like a full drum cage once for the drums. This was more like an indoor space, तो हम लोगों ने किया था. इसमें सिर्फ यही प्रॉब्लम थी, अभी मैंने ये फोटो में से क्रॉप कर दिया है. वो KK and on started hanging towels on the platform. So it became a little weird. But this sort of protects the singer. सिंगर का माइक अगर कैसे इधर उधर मूव किया तो सिंबल के स्प्लैशेस वगैरह उसमें नहीं आते हैं. Because how many of you mix on a regular basis? Any of you? You? So you must be knowing कि कितना difficult हो जाता है the moment the singer moves the mic away from his body. Okay, I don't know. This is some random picture of him. Sorry.